This is Success Challenge. Welcome to my channel. Now it's all about all-in-one profits, AIOP. All-in-one profits review, a short and a brief review about all-in-one profits. Now let's just take a look at what's all-in-one profits about. All-in-one profits provide pro autoresponder, web hosting, all essential online marketing tools and advertising, and so on and so forth, for just very little amount per month, which is $11.50. But this is more than anything you can find on the internet. So it is for all newbies and professionals who want to make it big online and offline by taking advantage of all-in-one tools that are available. Now, normally what people ask is, are there products involved? Yes. These are the products involved. There are real products involved, okay? You have basic level products and pro level products. You get premium web hosting. You can check the link in the description of the video. You see details. All this. Splash squeeze space builder, auto tracker, downline builder, or the rotator. You also get weekly bonuses, text banners and ads, all these graphics, and a host of others. Okay, for just very cheap price, and you can earn instant 100% commissions. Now let's look at testimonials. There are quite a lot of testimonials videos here from people all over the world. The good thing is that this business is all over the world. Everybody, anywhere, in any country can participate in it and earn good amount of money. These are testimonials. All of these people can't be wrong. All of this can't be wrong. All of this can't be wrong. Check in the description of the video for the link. All of these people can't be wrong, okay? That is it. So if you're looking for a real income opportunity, this is where it is. And you can also promote any other business that you have. Let me just log into my account. Okay. So as I said, it pays 100% instant commissions. It means even one referral will break even, and every month you'll be receiving $10 commissions from that person. Okay. Now we have autoresponder. As I was saying, you have got autoresponder service. You don't need to go outside and look for any AIOP or get response, which will be charging you higher. You've got a splash page builder. You can build squeeze pages. You also have got what? A press block, which means you can have built a number of press blocks that you can block and organize traffic. Also, you have got what? A tracker. Let's take, for example, this is a tracker. You can track all your links so that you know which traffic sources are working for you. As we're saying, this system allows us to what? Also create lead capture pages. Take this for instance. This page was created using this system. Okay, you don't need any click funnels. So it's charging you over $97 per month. Ooh, what a whooping sum. All these are lead capture pages created using the system. And in fact, they convert very, very, very well. I was saying it. You don't need any other click funnels or any other pages builder. Everything is put in place here. As I said, $11.50 per month is just a shoestring amount. It can't do anything, but it can set you to financial freedom. So check the description of the video and get a link. You come join. We will help you. Your team will create these capture pages like this for you. You can capture leads for any other business that you have. Okay. So you can also place your banner ads and your text ads. You also have got downline builder for you. So while you also promoted the system and earning $10 commissions over and over and over, you are also promoting other businesses that you have. What is more than this? What is more than this? You have got everything in place. Autoresponder service, lead capture pages, web hosting, a lot of things. Email autoresponder. You don't need to go anywhere and they will be charged huge amount of money. And mind you, this pays you instant 100% commissions. So check the description of the video and come join, opt in, and you get the complete details. Thank you very much. I hope to see you inside. Now, before I go, a quick one. Let me just show you how I'm also generating leads with this system. Just pause the video. As you can see, this is how I am building my list with the system. Okay, all these emails I'm capturing with the lead capture pages. Some people are just online wasting their time and their money. They are not building lists. They are just promoting raw affiliate links. And they are not capturing this. This is how we build lists, and the list gives you their money. Also, there's email follow-up for you on your behalf. The company will do all the follow-up for you. You refer people earning actual real income for yourself. That's great. So go check it out. See you inside. Thank you. If this video makes sense, consider subscribing to my channel and hit on the notification bell. Please, if you have any question, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to reply to you. Thank you.